Hi everyone, welcome back to Random. As you can see, this roof is in desperate need of a new roof. So, we are getting a new roof installed on our house and removing the chimneys. There is a snowstorm coming, expecting to feet, so they are working fast. Took them 2.5 days to do this. At least the chimneys are gone and the roof no longer has holes in it. Apparently we didn't ask for facia or soffit. It's fine, it's just rotted.
I prayed for an answer, envision the pain that I've been through. Forgive me for my lack of manners. Some things I did and some things I won't do. Size, despise my life so clear. Make bad decisions, make bad decisions. Make bad decisions, make bad decisions.
$35,000. We had a few issues with the roofer's dumpster they had brought in. First placing it on our septic system, then in our neighbor's property. It was a huge mess dealing with these contractors. Always ask a company you hire if they are doing the work or if they subcontract them out. Always have a meeting approving materials and work being performed. Always have a lawyer look at the contracts before you sign them and make sure everything is on the contract. Read all fine prints. Lessons learned. Due to legal reasons, we cannot mention the company, but we were granted a full refund. It will have to do for now. Next we will be trashing out the downstairs and try to get all of the trash out. Would anyone like to place bets on how many 30-yard dumpsters it takes? Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell button for updates on how our process is going. Until next time, to Random out.